Alright, so this is a new seller. I'm gonna take my time with this video. Y'all check her out. She does have a newbie bundle deal going on. This one called she sent a lot of samples. So this was one that was just loosely hanging in there. It's called Berry Blue. This one says Camp Time Mix. This one is, I'm assuming, cotton candy. What is it? Candy soup it looks like. This one is a green apple sample. This one is lime. This one is also a cotton candy. This one is toasty argo. This one is chestnut argo. This one is, I guess, strawberry. Look, it says straw seed, but strawberry. And then this one is Oreo. Alright, she also threw in some toppers. This one is the blueberry or berry blue, like the sample. I'm not sure what this one is, but we'll know when we get into it. Alright, and lastly, she gave me a sample of cereal. I can tell there's some chunks in there, 16 ounce and 8 ounce of cereal. There's her little thank you card, and this is everything we have, guys. Let's get into the video. Alright, so first I'm going to try the toasty argo chunks. Next, I'm going to try the cotton candy. Next, we have up is lime. Promise y'all, was not a flavor girl, but baby, she has won me over. Next, we're gonna try this one. I thought it was cotton candy, but it's not. But it's like a little candy mixture. It's good though. Miss Lorraine got me up here swallowing all of her samples. This is green apple. Next up, again, I think this is strawberry. It's a straw seed, look like. This one is the blue argo, berry blue argo, sorry. Alright, so I think I said Camp Time Mix. It like I said Campfire. My bad. But I think the last three are cookies. So let's try them out, see what they taste like.
that one was good. It reminds me of the vanilla and chocolate cookies they used to have at all the little kids' birthday parties back then. This is Oreo. Mmm. Mmm. It tastes like toasted Oreo, but it got a unique taste. It's good. That's good. That's good.